Introducing the 2020 and up Ford DSP interface with pre-wired harnessing for non-amplified vehicles, the AXDSPX-FD3. The AXDSPX-FD3 has a 31-band graphic EQ, 10 individually assignable outputs with independent equalization, independent high-pass, low-pass, and bandpass filters, while each channel can be delayed up to 10 milliseconds. The DSPX also has clipping detection and limiting circuits with adjustable chime levels, all while retaining sync. With an easy behind-the-radio installation, the AXDSPX-FD3 includes a bass knob and is fully adjustable via our Bluetooth app, where you can read, write, and store configurations for future recalls, all while being micro USB updatable. For any more information on this product, you could visit AXXESSinterfaces.com, find us on Facebook, and follow Metra Electronics on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.